was going to say, I know that sound. I know that sound very well. Hello. G'day, mate. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Pole 57. G'day, mate. Off he goes. Unity 9820. This plane is doing some sort of testing at the airport. ATT were talking about chalking the runway and all sorts of stuff. This is his third pattern. Takes off, lands, taxis around, stops in different places. Takes off again. Oops. Yeah. Something different. Embraer E190 test jet. Cool. Wonder what that's all about. Hello, mate. Huh. Here he comes again. Another lap around the patch. Interesting that he's leaving the landing gear down for the whole circuit. And just before, which I didn't film, we had a go around on a 683, I think it was. Anyway, interesting. Hello, mate. Check this out. I'm going to move quickly. This is a New Zealand plane. ZKEPO. Parachute plane. Hang on a sec. Come on, give me some focus. New Zealand parachute plane. What are you doing over here, mate? Hey? Wow. That's cool. Hello, mate. He's out of there. Oh yeah. Go to 747. Get in that tree.